Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to review about Young Nails Protein Bond. Why you need Young Nails Protein Bond, the key to flawless, long-lasting nails. Dreaming of chip-free gel manicures or flawless acrylics that last for weeks? Look no further than Young Nails Protein Bond. This innovative, non-acidic nail primer is the secret weapon for achieving salon-quality results at home or in the professional setting. Here's why Protein Bond is a must-have in your nail care routine. Key features. Non-acidic adhesion. Ditch the harsh chemicals. Protein Bond utilizes a unique, proprietary polymer that forms a strong bond with your natural nails. This gentle formula eliminates the need for acidic primers that can damage your nail plate, leaving your nails healthy and strong. Enhanced durability. Say goodbye to chipping and peeling. Protein Bond creates a super sticky surface that acts as an anchor for gel polish, acrylics, or even regular polish. This significantly improves the longevity of your manicure, allowing you to enjoy beautiful nails for weeks on end. Versatile application. No matter your nail enhancement preference, Protein Bond has you covered. This all-in-one primer works flawlessly with gel polishes, acrylics, and even traditional polishes. It creates the perfect base for any type of polish, ensuring optimal adhesion and a flawless finish. Effortless application. Tired of complicated nail prep routines? Protein Bond makes it easy. Simply apply a thin coat to your bare nails, let it dry completely, which takes just seconds, and you're ready to apply your favorite polish. No buffing, harsh fumes, or multiple steps involved. Compact and travel-friendly. Don't let size fool you. The 0.25 ounces bottle of Protein Bond packs a powerful punch. This convenient size is perfect for both home use and nail professionals. It's easy to store in your purse or nail kit, allowing you to maintain flawless nails on the go. Why purchase Young Nails Protein Bond? Save time and money. With Protein Bond, you can ditch the frequent salon visits and achieve professional-looking nails at home. This translates to significant savings over time, and you'll enjoy the convenience of doing your nails on your own schedule. Healthier nails. Harsh acidic primers can weaken and damage your natural nails. Protein Bond's non-acidic formula eliminates this risk, promoting healthy nail growth and preventing long-term damage. Confidence boost. There's nothing like the feeling of having beautiful, long-lasting nails. Protein Bond helps you achieve that flawless, polished look that gives you the confidence to take on the world.